a heavy heart to carry. My beloved was way down, my arms around his neck, my fingers laced the ground. Oh, was a heavy heart to carry. My feet tread across the ground, and he took me to the river, where he slowly let me drown. My love has concrete feet, my love's an iron wall, wrapped around your ankles over the waterfall. I'm so heavy, heavy, heavy in your arms. I'm so heavy, heavy, heavy.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm 17 years old. I'm a student in Matric. I'm doing the reinvent the dress, so the dress can match the themes of my life. I like fantasy, I like gaming, I like drawing manga, vampires and demons. I want to become a game developer when I leave school, focusing on RPG, more action.
And doesn't make a sound. Oh, my love has concrete feet, my love is an iron wall.